Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang FEU Tamaraos kontra sa UP Fighting Marons 25-17, 25-22, 25-22. Best player of the game si Ariel Cacao sa likod ng kanyang 1 ace at may kasamang 13 excellent sets. Tinalo naman ng NU Bulldogs ang Adamson Soaring Falcons 25-19, 25-17, 25-16. Best player of the game si Joshua Ritamar matapos humakot ng 3 points mula sa 2 attacks at 1 ace na may kasamang 15 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, panalo din ng FEU Lady Tamaraos kontra sa UP Lady Marons 25-20, 27-29, 25-21, 25-21. Best player of the game si Faida Bacanqui sa likod ng kanyang 19 points mula sa 16 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Wagi naman ang NU Lady Bulldogs kontra sa Adamson Lady Falcons 25-16, 25-14, 25-18. Best player of the game si Alyssa Solomon matapos nagtala ng 14 points mula sa 12 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Heto ang game schedule ngayong April 21, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maghaharap ang UE Red Warriors at UST Golden Spikers alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at DLSU Green Spikers alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang UE Lady Warriors at UST Golden Tigresses alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng Ateneo Lady Eagles ang DLSU Lady Spikers alas 4 ng hapon. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of April 20, 2024. FEU Tamaraos 12 wins 1 loss. NU Bulldogs 10 wins 3 losses. DLSU Green Spikers 9 wins 3 losses. UST Golden Spikers 7 wins 5 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 6 wins 6 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 4 wins 9 losses. UE Red Warriors 1 win 11 losses. UP Fighting Marons 1 win 12 losses. Heto naman ang team standings sa Women's Division as of April 20, 2024. NU Lady Bulldogs 11 wins 2 losses. DLSU Lady Spikers 10 wins 2 losses. UST Golden Tigresses 10 wins 2 losses. FEU Lady Tamaraos 9 wins 4 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 4 wins 8 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 3 wins 10 losses. UE Lady Warriors 2 wins 10 losses. UP Lady Marons 1 win 12 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.